channel, Show Me Beautiful. Today we are doing a mini makeover with my mom, Nancy, today. And I wanted to break it down into 5 easy steps for her. And I want to take into consideration her skin, kind of what look she's going for, and to make it a real youthful look. So I am really excited to get started. You know, the title of my channel is Show Me Beautiful. So I'm going to show you somebody beautiful inside and out to me. So please welcome my mother, Nancy. There's my dog licking my mom.
Happy.
All right, there's the dog. Okay, good boy.
Yeah.
Do you ever go out of the house without makeup?
No.
Never.
Never.
And what is your favorite kind of makeup to use? Is it lipstick? Is it foundation?
Foundation.
Oh, foundation. I mean, you can't see this dog, but hey, get down. Jeez. Okay. Hey, get down. We're going to start with prepping your skin.
Okay.
Moist lips.
Okay.
So you can just put that on.
Okay.
Because dry lips are really a problem in the winter, aren't they?
Yeah.
My dog is really helping out.
He makes me laugh.
Okay, so let's do a little more moisturizer. Shut your mouth, because it's going to go right. Okay. Okay, that's my dog.
Spray that. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Get down now. You're out of the shot. Oh, do you ever use products with vitamin C?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this is a drugstore brand.
Right.
And it's also a moisturizer.
Yeah, I get that.
Do you use a primer?
Yeah.
So you do not, you liar.
No, I don't.
But a primer, what it does is it moisturizes your skin and it helps get down. And it helps make your skin nice and easy.
Happy.
Okay, here we go. So we're gonna put your primer on. And he can't see. So you can't see the dog. So.
He's chewing me
All right,
out.
I'm gonna put him in the crate. When you were growing up,
Elizabeth Taylor.
Elizabeth Taylor.
Not Ryan Taylor.
And of course you've got the blonde hair. So
she has black hair.
Right. What I'm gonna do is start with your eyes.
Okay.
And like me, your eyebrows are lacking.
Okay.
The most important thing is getting the right color.
Right.
Because some of the stuff you use is too red.
Okay.
I got it at Sephora. It's another 2-step.
Okay.
So this kind of gives a little texture to your brows.
Okay. I don't have any brows.
I know. Now we're just gonna do a little mascara. Is it hard for you to do? Is that why you don't do it?
No, I just don't do it.
You just don't do it. Your foundation.
Okay.
This is one of my favorites.
What is it?
It's called Elia.
Oh.
Oops. Wait. I can never tell.
Running down
So
my nose.
we want to start lighter.
Okay.
Because you really want more of a golden.
Right.
You want to go more. You're more of a warm color.
Right.
So the color really is nice. So this is what will really make you look much younger.
Okay.
Okay. So you can see,
Yeah.
I've kind of overdone it. Do you use a bronzer?
Yeah.
Do you really use a bronzer?
Yeah. You gave it to me.
Okay. So this is one that I love. It has a lot of different colors. And this is what kind of just warms your whole face up.
Okay.
Make sure you get the neck.
I always do the neck.
And you come down
Okay.
about halfway.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so your skin tone just kind of warmed up a lot. You want to use a concealer on?
No.
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 So because your skin's so good, you don't need it. Use a powder finisher. So powder, I don't like to use too much powder because it kind of dries our skin out. But this kind of makes you glow.
Okay.
And you want to glow like a movie star.
I need to glow.
You need to. And that's my fun dog. I'm really going to help Mom out. He's going to lick it all off.
Coral and pink.
Pink, right. Coral and pink looks the best.
Yeah. Coral and pink.
And I know, do you use any lip gloss? No.
No.
Let me just like that.
Okay.
Okay. So that color really works nicely on
Yeah,
you.
yeah. I like
The
that.
last step we're going to do mist, which helps you look glowy.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Glowy. I need to look.
no, you look glowy. So your skin looks really moist and refreshed.
Okay.
And if you do your makeup at noon
Yeah.
before you go out,
No.
you can use this.
I use it I do it by 8 in the morning.
Okay, fine. There's my dog. Makeup question. It's okay. Okay, my last question is, what would you tell yourself, your younger self, about beauty? It comes from
First,
within.
it comes from within.